This is the lazy man's car wash. Riding them dirt roads, it'll collect a lot of dust. Okay guys, I've been wanting to show you for a long time. I finally got this thing figured out. The no build van build. I'm so excited I can hardly say it. But let me show you. It's my little buddy heater. There's my storage here, and you take this top will come off. There's more stuff under here, but I've got just what I need, man. I got what I need. That's my shade, screen shade. I got my cooler here. That's my clam shelter. I got my zero gravity chair in there. That's a 200 amp hour Renogy lithium battery. These are some really large ice cube makers. Check them out, man. That's big. This folding bed, I'll put the link to it in the description down below. It's Amazon. I'm not an Amazon affiliate. I got kicked off. I made $2.36, I think. You see, we got a fire extinguisher here. We got light, got dental floss. We got drops for dry eyes, a light, hand lotion. Got books, baby wipes, flashlight over there. Got a fishing rod, got a fan. That's also a light. I got this comforter at a Goodwill store for $12.95. I keep the box up here in the seat. Is this here? It's got like my kitchen. I got my stove and the storage compartment down below. This is my winter clothing I've got packed up. I got my what I use for a bath, everything, shaving, and yes, that is a little dog toy. That's my zero gravity chair. And I put this bag up under here. I put my bath stuff up under here. I got batteries here. I got lights in here, LED lights. I finally got it, man. It's my Haseka. There's my cocoon. It's a and I've got another fire extinguisher right here. And man, it's great now. I finally got it. And here's my lights for reading at night. Very low power consumption. I have a 12 volt Smitty built air compressor. It works great. Only what I need, man. On my driver's side, in the stowaway seat compartment, I keep propane, voltmeter, a folding shovel to clean out fire pits so we can have a good fire. There's a volt tester down there to check my battery, my Renogy 200 amp hour battery. I got a shovel in there to clean out the fire pits. It's just a very simple, just a simple setup. And man, I'm just so excited about it. I love it.